Hey guys, welcome to the 20th day of Christmas DIYs. Christmas is approaching super fast and this is super popular this year. Those are the glass jars that are covered in glitter. You will need a glass jar, something to cover the top part of the bottle, and I will be using this faux leather. This is fake leather, please guys use just fake one. This is from some old bag that I didn't throw it away. So yeah, I'm just recycling it, and you will use the part that looks good. We will glue that on top. Then we will make a bow around the top, and on the bow you can put some decoration. For the decoration we will put this snowflake. I have a metal snowflake pendant, and we can put some branches. And you will need, of course, glue. If you have Mod Podge, that will be great. I'm using this paper glue to put it on the bottle. It will be a huge mess, guys, because of the glitter. You need to put something underneath your DIY, not ruin your table or background. So we will just put some papers, and we will start with gluing this on the top and gluing the glitter. Let's start with the top part. Just take it off the bottle and measure how much you will need of these. So like this. Choose which side you will use, and then just cut it. So you will need the scissors too, of course. Then just glue it. I will use a super glue for this one. And while we work on glitter part, you just leave it to rest and to dry. Then you take your bottle and you decide until where you want the glitter to be. I think I will put it until here. I don't want the whole bottle to be in glitter, because in this part there will be a big satin bow and decoration. So maybe until here we want glitter. We will do part by part. Dry, we can check what is up with this one. Is it done? And to cut the excess. So let's just open it. And it's very hard to cut this in some nice shape, to be honest. Just cut it around. Try your best. So the top one is good, but not all sides are well. As you can see, some sides didn't glue very well, so we need to add more glue to it to fix it. So when it dries, you do this, and we will now check if there is any hole that we need to add glitter to. Like maybe here. And see, as the bottle was dripping, you have these parts with too much glue. So you just dab it a little bit with your finger. I know it's not pleasant, it's a glue, but just dab it a little bit, okay? It's the gravity, you cannot do anything against the gravity, so. And yeah, if you see some holes, just put glitter on them. You do this, so we get rid of the excess glitter. You try to get the glitter that is good, still good, back into the bottle. You wash this mess. So next thing we're gonna do is to make a bow. This should be very simple. Put the cap on. The cap on goes very nicely on, okay? like that. It looks good. Then we need to like clean this glitter off the bottle. I'm just going to use one of my painting brushes. And now we're gonna put the bow. The bow will just go around the cap. Nice big bow. This is how they look like. Clean and tidy, the way I like. Then we will put some branches, like to be a little bit wintry. I'll just cut some branches. So I think 3 is enough. And then we'll just put the branches through the bow, okay? Just lay it flat. And open the bow a little bit. I mean, bow can be fixed again, don't worry about that. So just put the branches through the bow. Like that. And then just, you know, make it look good. Make it nicer. Try this, try that, until you like the finished look. And then we can put like this snowflake here. You can glue it, but the better way is to just sew it to the bow, okay? That's what we're going to do. We're going to use a needle, a silver thread, this is how the end product looks like. I think it looks super cute. You can put candies in it or nothing. I will use this only as a decoration. So I didn't want to put candies or something in it, but you can do if you want. You can use more branches. You don't have to use branches. I just wanted to add some dimension to it. I think it would be maybe too silvery if it was only the bow and only the snowflake and only the glitter. The cap looks so nice, really nice. And yeah, this is how it looks like. I will insert the end photos. I hope you like this DIY. All my contact social networks are in the description down below, where you can follow me, ask me questions. If you try this out, please tell me how it went. Show me your work. I will see you tomorrow for 21st day of Christmas DIYs. All the photos of my DIYs and the DIYs that inspired me are on my Pinterest page. So thank you so much for watching. Stay safe and sound and find your inner ground. And I will see you tomorrow. Bye!